So over the past year, I spent a lot of time solo traveling over in Europe. And today I'm going to be ranking my top 5 favorite cities in Europe for solo travel. This is just my opinion. Please don't come after me. And I'm basing it off of things like hostels, things to do, and the walkability of the city, as well as my experience there as a solo traveler. Number 5, I'm going to go with Berlin, Germany. Berlin has tons of sights to see throughout the city. It is very easy to get around. Just is one of those cities with kind of a hipster young vibe to it, so it really felt like it was pretty open for a solo traveler. Number 4, I'm gonna go with Sevilla, Spain. I went in the middle of the summer, so it was miserably hot. But with that being said, the hostel scene here was pretty fantastic, and there were still lots of things to do. Not to mention the city is very walkable, and all around just has some pretty cool things to see. Okay, this is where it starts getting tough, because I absolutely love all 3 of these cities. But for number 3, I'm gonna give to Krakow, Poland. The city is continuously ranked as one of the best places to travel as a solo traveler in Europe, which if you've been there, you would totally agree. Number 2, I almost had it number 1. It is so close for me. But for number 2, I'm going to be going with Budapest. It's one of my favorite cities in the entire world and home to probably the coolest building that I have ever seen, the Hungarian Parliament. The only reason why I don't have it at number 1 is because it's actually a bit more spread out than you would think it would be. Which leaves me for my number 1 place in Europe to travel as a solo traveler. It is, of course, none other than Prague. Prague has some of the coolest hostels in the entire world. The entire Old Town Square is one of the coolest places in all of Europe. Let me know what you think of my list below, and of course, comment for some other great solo destinations as well.